MS, MBA, PhD. I get asked this question a lot of times from undergrads. Before we begin, I want to say that as long as you are in the right field, no matter which of these three options you choose, you're going to end up with a very well paying job. So let's just first remove money from the equation entirely and think of it in terms of what you truly enjoy the most and what you want to do for the rest of your life. One common mistake that all of us make is that we tie these degrees to a particular type of job. For example, I have heard so many of my friends say that if you do a PhD, you can only become a professor. This cannot be far from the truth. Today, PhDs are employed in all sorts of fields where they use their expertise to do cutting edge research which helps them to solve real world problems. Similarly, people say that if you do an MBA, you'll become a manager. This is again not true. MBA opens a whole world of possibilities for you that I'm going to talk about later. Let's start one by one and discuss why you should do each of these three. You can follow the timestamps below to go to a session that you like. A PhD helps you develop independent research skills, critical thinking skills, and analytical reasoning skills in your area. If you are still an undergrad, I advise you strongly to do some research. If you don't know how to get started, you can go to any professor or a PhD student and just ask them if you can contribute to their projects. Professors and PhD students are always looking for more hands that can help them either code, collect data, or run experiments. This will help you slowly get started in the world of research. Once you have built enough credibility with the research lab, they will allow you to work on your own research projects, or they will probably give you some ideas which you can work on for your own project, paper, or a thesis. Once you are working on these research problems, ask yourself the following questions. Do you like independent research? Do you like to work on challenging problems? Do you like to come up with your own solution without a lot of intervention from others? Do you like reading papers? And are you interested in cutting edge research that is happening in the field? If yes, then maybe PhD is the right decision for you. If you want to do a PhD, directly apply and join a PhD program. No need to do an MS in between. In some PhD programs, you can directly get admitted into them right after your undergrad, and then you can get your master's degree on the way. This will save a lot of time and money for you. As a PhD student, this is the most important advice I would like to give you. Do not go for a PhD just by looking at your friend who wants to do a PhD or because Sharma ji ka ladka is also doing a PhD. PhD is a very serious commitment of 4 or more years. Only do it if you enjoy the whole process or if it helps further your career significantly. At a very high level, an MS is focused more towards your career-oriented or job-oriented skills. In some cases, you can even go for a thesis plan and get some research experience. Ask yourself the following questions. If you are already working, do you think getting an MS would help you get promoted or get a better position in your same company? If you are still in college, do you think doing an MS will help you improve your job-related skills after which you can apply to the job of your dreams? Or are you trying to switch your field altogether? I know a lot of you want to switch to AI, ML, or CS based fields, for which I'll make a video separately. But if you want to switch your area completely, an MS can be the right tool for you. This is where an internship comes in. If you are still an undergrad, I strongly advise you to do an internship, no matter how small the firm is. When you are doing an internship, first realize if you truly enjoy the work that you are being assigned during your internship. Secondly, look around your office and look at what kind of work everybody else is doing. If you like the role that somebody is doing, just go to them and ask them what degrees they have and how they ended up in this particular position. This can help you a lot, and this can help you decide what you want to do in your life. In some cases, people really enjoy the work that they get assigned during their internships. In such a case, by all means, go ahead, get the pre-placement offer and continue working in that position till you actually find a need to do an MS or a PhD or an MBA. No need to just go for higher studies just for the sake of it. Finally, an MBA is focused more towards executive level jobs, business development, and entrepreneurship. I am no way an expert in this area, but here are a few things that you can ask yourself. When you are working on projects in your undergrad, do you enjoy creating and giving presentations? Do you enjoy pitching your idea to others? Do you enjoy interacting with others and selling them your ideas? Do you enjoy managing tasks, assigning tasks, and doing all sorts of leadership responsibilities in your team? If yes, then maybe an MBA could be the right choice for you. I have seen a lot of people who are great at interaction, presentation skills, or leadership go for MBA within my friend circle. Again, before I finish, you cannot go wrong with either of these three choices. All three of these will end up with very well paying jobs. So just put money out of the equation and think in terms of truly what you love and what you want to do for the rest of your life. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.